Where's your buzzing, madam?
Left here.
How long buzzing?
That's a month.
More than 1 month only.
But it comes every 1 year and a half, like 2 years.
Oh, so it comes and goes.
Yes.
But now it's coming. Okay, now. So first of all, checking she's fine, no cause, nothing. Turn this side. No, turn this side. Look at me. So here, there's an energy block in the ears. Okay, turn that side. This ear is fine. Now, sensing is very important. So hopefully in the class and afternoon, you all will be learning how to do sensing. Okay? So here is fine. Look at me now, brother. This side is going. It's an energy block on this ear. At the same time, she's wearing a lot of stones and all. That could also cause a lot of problems with the stone. Please remove all your stones, madam. Remove all the stones. What do you mind? Sometimes the stones also, some diamond can also block the ears. Let's remove all the stones from that side and see what is happening in the ears itself. It's very important. Stones carry a lot of energy. Good energy and bad energy. But most of them all dark energy. Remove both these. எத்தனை ஓட்ட போட்டீங்க? 3 ஓட்ட போட்டீங்களா? மூக்கில் ஓட்ட போட்டுருக்கீங்களா? மூக்கில் போட்டுங்க ஓட்ட. Holes here, everywhere holes. மேடம், நாக்கில் ஓட்ட போட்டுருக்கீங்களா? Sometimes they hold the tongue also. Hold. தொப்புல அவளை போடும் தொப்புல போடும் அதான் தப்பு தொப்புல போடும். Okay, now she's removed everything right now.
Oh, okay.
But wait for a while.
Satish யாரு?
Wait for a while. It's hot.
அவங்கள கூப்பிடுங்க.
Okay, all done, madam. She's removed the whatever that she's wearing. I just want to make sure that these jewels are not affecting the flow of energy in this part of the body. Sometimes it can affect you. There's one lady who came to me, she was wearing a diamond earring and she got a lot of migraine. She removed it, the pain became 0. So remember that, huh? Diamond can carry a lot of energy. Okay, good. Now after that, madam, gone. How's the buzzing? How much? 5. Buzzing on to 50% down after removing stone. Inhale like say. Inhale like say. Nose, not mouth. Inhale nose, exhale to the nose. Let's see what happens. Huh? How much down? 5. Let's see. I want to make sure that it's all gone and then we start healing. See, sometimes when there's a block, the body cannot heal itself. Why is number getting bigger and bigger here? I call this man one man only.
Ladies first.
What buzzing sound? Ayyo.
It's okay, ladies first.
How much?
Heavy, 5 also.
Okay, now take the wand now. Sorry. Amma. You want to inhale, exhale. No, sir. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale, close, and exhale. Push it out. You know what I mean? Inhale first, deeply. Close, push. No. You got to close and push the. You got to push. You know when you go on the flight, you got to do that to balance the ears. Let's see what happens. Push. Let go. Inhale. Hold hard. Push hard. Push. You feel like blowing. Okay, let go. How you feel now? Huh?
Blocking.
But how you feel the buzz? Keep on doing. Keep on. I want to release the block. Especially sometimes you can naturally block, but when you get to fly, when you come down, you can feel. So always do this when you're flying down. No? As you become better, you can do it indefinitely. You can take the air and push it outside. There are ways of doing it. Push. You feel something coming up. Okay? Let go. Come on. 3. Keep on doing one more time. The ears can also be blocked and that can happen. Some people come to me, the first thing I do is put the wand and push yourself, and I find a lot of relief from many people. All the noise will start to go down. Watch all my YouTube, my friends. I've done so much of this thing, so much. And things have become so much better. For some people it takes longer time. And people who are very young people today, they're using too much of this kind of earphones and Bluetooth stuff. It's all going to affect your ears. So please be careful. My daughter works in a company. All she does is do a lot of conference call. After 5 years, she started having ears in the nose. And she goes and see the doctor, and doctor said there's no cure for this. And after that, what she will do, sir? Huh? Appa, they're very urgently looking for me. How come my daughter is looking for me so urgently? Appa, my ears all noise. Yes, sir. Yes, go on. So doctor already. So doctor already. And he'll not. Cannot be.
Okay.
So be careful. As people do a lot of conference call, telemarketing, they put all the things there, and the noise can be done. Young children play a lot of games and put right inside it. No, don't, noise can be very bad. Right? How much, brother? 0. 50%, all the stones you are wearing, madam. So don't make too much of holes in the ears, madam. Okay? And then do this one, okay? You'll be fine. Put plastic stones, lah.